Yes, I need 3 officer complaint forms, please.
Okay, I don't have forms. I can enter a call for a sergeant to come and talk.
I'd just rather have 3 complaint forms, please.
I don't have those. I can enter a call for an officer to come and speak.
I'd rather just have 3 complaint
Okay,
forms,
we don't have
please.
complaint forms. I can enter a call.
I don't want to talk to anybody. All I want is 3 complaint forms, please.
I can't give you something I don't have.
Y'all don't have any paper to do with officer complaint forms, huh? Not even online?
No, sir.
Why not?
I can't answer that question.
Okay. What's your name?
Ms. Smith.
Okay, well, I'm Mr. Smith.
I'll be happy to enter a call for you to talk to a supervisor, but I have no paper forms I can give you.
Okay. I guess I'll do whatever I have to do. I guess I'll talk to somebody. Since I have to talk to somebody, I can't even give a complaint form.
Can I get your first name?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'm gonna guess you don't want to give me your phone number and address.
No, ma'am. They already know all that anyway.
Okay, if you'll have a seat, the dispatchers will get some